The Department of Agriculture distributes coconut seedlings to barangays. The first barangay receives 200 seedlings, and each succeeding barangay receives 15 more seedlings than the previous one. If the distribution is made to 30 barangays, how many seedlings are distributed in all? The given 200 seedlings for the first barangay, and then 15 more, so common difference is 15, so that will be 215 for the second barangay, 230 for the third barangay, and so on. 30 barangays, so N is 30. How many seedlings are distributed in all? So that will be S sub 30. So S sub N equals N over 2 times 2A sub 1 plus N minus 1 times D. So S sub 30 is 30 over 2 times 2 times 200 plus 30 minus 1 times the common difference, which is 15. So this is going to be 15 times 2 times 200 is 400. 29 times 15. 29 times 15, 45, carry 4, 14, 29, 435. Then 15 times 400 plus 435 is 835. So we will have 15 times 835. 25, carry 2, 17, carry 1, 41, 835. 5, 12, carry 1, 5, 12. That is 12,525. So the total number of seedlings distributed to 30 barangays is 12,525. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!